Chess Unbound, how to play. The object of this two-player game is to capture your opponent's king or all of their pawns. Lay out the board and divide the tiles into two piles. One pile with the circle background and the other with the diamond. Give each player a set of tiles and a set of colored pieces. Both players place their tiles however they like on the 4 rows closest to them, making sure the orientation of the tile's color matches the board to retain the checkerboard pattern. Each player places their king on the 4th space from the right on their back row, then places pawns on the remaining spaces in the 2 rows closest to them. The red player goes first, then turns alternate. On your turn, you must move one piece, then your opponent goes. Pawns move according to the tile they are on at the start of their turn, moving along unblocked paths as indicated to the destination of your choice. Pawns may not move through pieces or onto the same piece as a friendly piece. You capture an opponent's piece by landing on it. Captured pieces are removed from the board and may no longer be used. The Squire tile allows you to move one space forwards, backwards, left, or right. The Rook tile allows you to move as many spaces as you want in a single direction, forwards, backwards, left, or right. The Bishop tile allows you to move as many spaces as you want in a single diagonal direction. The Queen tile allows you to move as many spaces as you want in any one direction. The Knight tile allows you to move 2 spaces in one direction, then 1 space at a right angle to that space. The Knight tile is special in that it allows you to jump over other pieces. The Swap tile allows you to swap that tile with any of the adjacent tiles next to it, including diagonally. After you swap, your pawn then performs a move based on the new tile that was swapped. You may do this even if the other tile has a piece on it. The Teleport tile allows you to move to any space that is adjacent to any other teleport tile on the board. This includes teleport tiles that your opponent placed. You may not move to the teleport tile itself. You are allowed to capture an opponent's piece through the teleport move. The king does not use tile movement, but instead moves to any adjacent space. This includes diagonally. This is not a chess variant, so rules like check, castling, en passant, and promotion are not allowed. The first player to capture their opponent's king or to capture all of their opponent's pawns wins.